6-in-1 hydro-oxygen facial machine. ABC solution bottles installation. Hydrogen peroxide bottle installation. Filter installation. Touchscreen. Oxygen sprayer. For skin moisturizing, brightening and rejuvenation. Ultrasonic handle. High-frequency vibration relax skin and improve nutrient absorption. Cold hammer for skin sedation. Skin scrubber. For removing dead skin, improving skin condition. It is effective to press and hold the metal on both sides of the handle at the same time. Tap to increase intensity. Bipolar RF handle for wrinkle removal. Hydrodermabrasion pen. Choose ABC bottle. Adjust water volume and suction. Hydrodermabrasion pen for skin deep cleaning, grease and blackhead removal and elasticity increase. Adjust the amount of water. Choose ABC bottle. Suction adjustment.